What's up, guys? You got FryRiding here on a dirt bike. This is no CBR 600. Trust me, you don't have to tell me twice. And people who do dirt bikes, damn, much respect. This is not easy, that's for sure. So, I mean, I'm also kind of a big dude on a CRF100, but hey, it's not the size that matters, it's how you use it. So, firsthand, I can tell you, street skills do not transfer to dirt skills. Not even close. I am not in my element at all. And I am not on a fast bike either. Oh! Whoa! Whoa, Nelly! Whoa, Nelly! I can tell you, if you ride dirt, you will probably be a good street rider, or at least decent, as long as there's no traffic around you. Because this is something else. This is painful is what this is. I'm too old for this crap. Like a rock crawl here, man. Does not move. This is so fun. This is really fun, actually. I'm beating a Jeep. That hurt my nuts. I keep on trying to put my feet back, bend my knees, but I'm not on a CBR, that's for sure. You know what? Screw first. Start off second. So if you're wondering, this actually is my first time on trails on a dirt bike. Very first time. The AK-47s, he'd be proud of me. Oh man, I'm too big for this bike. That's as fast as we're going. What gear am I in? Neutral? No, first. I don't know what's down here. I guess there's one way to find out. Oh, Nelly! Oh, damn it! Fun, man. This is really cool. This is really fun. Even though it's only a 100, this is still. off the rev limiter in 5th gear. Oh, bunny hop. Oh, right the dick. Get aggressive. Get aggressive with a little 100. Oh, too aggressive. I gotta say though, for 100cc, this is not really that underpowered. It's hauling my fat ass around. This is actually pretty good. It's enough to have fun with, that's for sure. That was a big ass rock. Top speed right there. Oh, wee. This is fun as heck. That settles it. I'm getting a supermoto. Getting a supermoto. This is just awesome. I can get behind this. Alright guys, well, I hope you like my mini dirt vlog, my first time on a dirt bike. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my pages. I'm going to keep doing stuff like this because, dude, this is awesome. So, with that being said, you guys have a real